Hi, so in this video we're gonna take a look at how Reaper looks by default every time you open it. So we are going to change the project settings for this. And so the first thing you'll need to do is obviously make it nice and neat, nice and comfortable for you. Just, tweak it to have it the way you like. For example, I would add a track. I like to have it a little bit bigger right here. I would insert a couple of other tracks as well. I would disarm them. I would enable snapping. I want this marker to be at the very beginning, and now it looks kind of okay to me. So once you have all of that done, you're going to go to File, you're going to go to Project Templates and choose Save Project as Templates. We're going to save this whole look and go ahead and click Save. And once you have it saved, it's not done yet. You're going to go to Options, you're going to go to Preferences, Project, click Browse right here and choose that template that you saved. Click Open, click Apply, OK. And now you're done. This whole look that you have right here, this is how your software gonna look every time you open up Reaper.